everyone, I'm Luis Arellano and I work for Memory Lane Games as their Philippine coordinator, and I'll be showing you guys how to locate the app on your devices and how to play the games there. So depending on your device, if you have an Android tablet or a phone, you go to the Google Play Store. Or if you have an Apple product, an iPad or an iPhone, you go to the App Store. And in those stores, you search for Memory Lane Games and keep scrolling until you see the blue elephant, which is our app. I'll be demonstrating this to you guys using an iPhone, but bear in mind a tablet or an iPad would actually work best with the Memory Lane Games app. So let's get right into it. You can see here I clicked on the App Store and I search for Memory Lane Games. Of course, if you have an Android device, you search on the Google Play Store. And when you click download, usually you would have to put in a password or your Touch ID or Face ID to download, but for the sake of this video, I did not have to. And once it's been downloaded, you click open and it will take you right to the app. And it will ask you if you want Memory Lane Games to send notifications to you about the app. For example, if we have new games available, we will send a notification to your device. So I recommend that you click allow on this one. So this is what the home screen looks like, and the games might take longer to load depending on your internet connection. And you can see here that there are some popular games played by users all around the world, as well as some random games recommended for you when you first download it. But when you play more games on the app, the games recommended for you will be similar to the games you've just been playing. And like I said before, you can see all of this in the standard portrait mode, but you can also use the app on landscape. Just make sure to turn off auto lock on your device, like what I am doing right now. It just depends on your preference of what mode you want to play on. For an iPad or a tablet, it's best to play on landscape. And as you scroll further down, you can see a tab that says near me. And what this means is that if you allow the app to access your device's location, the app will show you games based on where you are. So when you click share location, this is what the screen looks like. I also recommend you to let the app access your location while using the app. So if you're in the NCR, for example, you will see games such as Manila, Caloocan, Pasay, and more. And you can see here, games suddenly appeared near me. I live in a small island in the UK called the Isle of Man, and the app is showing me games on where I live. The default language of the app is English, so you will automatically get games in English, but you can always change the language in the app settings, like what is being shown here right now. So if you click on settings and go to languages, there you will see Tagalog. Click this and hit save, then you should be able to get Tagalog games as well as English. Just make sure to refresh the app by scrolling down. And there, finished the lyric OPM 1970s. But if the games you want to play aren't showing up on the screen, you can also use the search bar to look for games you want to play. For example, I want to play on Zamboanga City. Hopefully, if you're from this city, you will know the answers to these questions. So let's take a walk down memory lane. The first question says, what is the nickname of Zamboanga City? Blank, cabecera ng Pilipinas. What is it? So I'll answer that now. Oh, when you get the question wrong, the wrong answer will just disappear until you get the right answer, and it will show up in green. Great, that's correct. And the next question says, what is the name of this pink beach? And it is Grande Santa Cruz. Yes, usually games are 6 questions long. And after the game is finished, it will take you to the screen. Thanks for playing. You'll also be able to rate the game, and I heard from speech therapists in America that her patients really enjoy seeing the hooray screen and seeing the rating screen and rating the game they've just played. And once that's done, you will see more games recommended to you that you can play straight away, or you can go back to the home page. And here are some more questions from our games in the app. We have many different types of topic games, but what makes our app stand out is that our games can get super local. And what that means is that eventually we will have games all over the Philippines, on every city and every town. And this is just the beginning. This is what we have, and hopefully this is what the outcome will be.